It all comes down to this. This right here's the moment. Never letting go. It all comes down to this. This right here's the moment. Going for the goal. It all comes down to this. Right here's the moment. Going for the goal. It all comes down to this. It all comes down to this.
Hi mahal, naalala mo pa ba nung unang beses kitang nalapitan? Nung nanghiram lang ako ng gunting sa'yo, di ko akalain na sa simpleng paghiram ng gunting, magsisimula ang isang kwento ng panliligaw, pagmamahalan at ngayon hantong tayo dito sa harap ng altar.
Kung tayo ay matanda,
Magbawalang taon na tayong magkasama. 8 taong tampuhan, away, lambingan, pagsusuyaan at higit sa lahat, 8 taong pagmamahalan.
kailanman, nasaan man ito ay pangarap ko.
Bakit na ka naman, bakit? Ayusin mo niyak mo, ayusin mo niyak mo.
At alam mo be, sana wag mo tanggalin yung toyo mo. Kasi alam kong isa yan sa dahilan or secret ingredients kung bakit tumagal tayo. Dahil bawat tampo mo, naging pagkakataon ko para mas mahalin ka, mas intindihin ka, at mas piliin ka araw-araw.
Kaya'y ibigin mo kung maputi na ang buhok ko.
Love, mahal, dada, baba, my baby boy. It's been 7 years since the first time we met. From the moment I saw you, I felt there was something different about you. I still remember the time I realized I was starting to fall for you. I prayed and asked God, Lord, ano na naman po itong nararamdaman ko? Ayoko na pong masaktan ulit. But Jesus made a way. Because look at where we are today. You waited and pursued me for 2 years just to hear my yes. And then waited another 5 years to spend a lifetime with me.
Sa'yo
Anak, hindi ka na dalaga, may asawa ka na. Ngayon, tatanganan mo na ang mga trabaho mo sa bahay. Mahalin mo asawa mo, ha?
kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
Naalala ko habang nagpapandalo yung hospital tayo. Tapos sa isip ko, sinabi ko, Tay, hayaan niyo po ako na bahala sa bunso. Mamahalin ko siya, aalagaan, at balang araw papakasalan. Igari ko na sa aman ngayon. Gusto pong malaman niyo, tinupad ko ba ako?
Miss na kita. Sana nandito ikaw. I love you so much. I love you, Papa mo. I also remember, Papa, maybe he already knew that we're the one. He liked you so much. I will never forget when he said, sa tingin mo ba hahayaan ko ang anak ko kung alam kong may masamang tao sinod? That was when I knew that you are the one for me. Mahal, thank you for respecting me. Truly respecting me. promise ring, to engagement ring, and now to the wedding ring. Happy June 12 to us. I will cherish you for the rest of our lives. I love you, Arnold Richard. So much.
By you, made palm tree dreams right here beneath these sheets. We could sleep in all day, taking our time, baby. If you join me, take it easy. Summertime haze, we're back. Now it sounds cliche, but you are so.
Pinapangako kong magiging tahanan mo ako kapag pagod ka na sa mundo. Mahal na mahal kita at habang buhay kitang mamahalin.
To announce to you and to the whole world, Arnold Ferrer and Sister Mary Cervera are now husbands and wives.
Summertime